Hello and welcome back to another video. The topic of this video is how are we tackling the inflation in Pakistan? The commodity prices have increased phenomenally, and the general population has to stay within limits when we talk about spending spree. There are various limitations that have popped up, and we have to spend according to our budget. And not only that, there is no relief for the general population as well. We can find zero relief for the general population, and that's something sad and alarming. The reason of making this video is to increase the awareness of people of what is going on due to the inflation, high inflation rates throughout the world. And the recent tariff wars are not helping at all. They're like seriously damaging the economy even further. The tariff wars that are being imposed by the United States of America. And it will really turn everything upside down. And that's not good for any country, especially the countries that have been taxed or tariffed by the United States. Unprecedented. Nothing like this has ever been done before in this world. And we don't know what's the future of this world. And this also raises a question mark on the future of this world. No one is thinking about a win win situation. We are all thinking about ourselves and nepotism and protectionism. That's all we can think of. So it's a really sad state of affairs. We need to have an equal resource distribution, a balance of economic resources. Whenever there is an imbalance, then stuff like this would happen on a regular basis or regularly. For that, we need to come up with strategies. First, we need to have an understanding that this is a problem. We need to identify this problem and we need to work together to solve it. Big countries working with smaller countries to eradicate poverty from this world. But no one thinks this way because everyone has their countries and mouths to feed. So the problem would persist, and there can be other solutions as well, but we can't work on this one because it's like a utopian sort of a thought process, and no one would work on this. We need to come up with solutions for the problems that people are facing in this world. So that's about it. I'll see you in the next. Take care and have a nice day.